The warning rev match system problem in the Honda Civic Type R is a pretty generic message, meaning that there may be something wrong with the intake or exhaust, throttle control sensors, non-OEM equipment, etc. So there is not much you can do before you plug in a good OBD scanner or at least a generic code reader and see what codes are stored in the ECU of your vehicle. But before you do this, pay attention to the service bulletin number 18044 issued by Honda in 2018. It covers some 2017 Civic Type R models and states that the rev match system problem and also emission system problem messages may come up with the turbocharger related trouble codes like P0035, for example, because of the faulty engine wiring harness. The TSB instructs the dealerships to install the new updated wiring harness that will not short the turbo bypass valve circuit. This is not a recall, so you will have to pay for repairs, but at least this gives you an idea of what to look at. Also, the message may be connected with anything in the air intake. Any air leak in the pipes or badly working additional equipment in the turbocharger system may lead to this message on the dashboard. So inspecting everything carefully and looking for air leaks is your step 2 when you see this. But anyway, the problem is going to be easy to fix after you read all the trouble codes with a good high-end scanner. The only exception is if you just randomly get this code once and then it disappears. This may happen especially after the Civic had some tuning parts installed and it's not considered a fault. But if it reappears, you will need to read the codes, and this will be a good start to find the actual culprit of the warning.